量词
Measure word.
Measure word. How do you say a technology in Chinese?
一门技术，一门技术，一门技术，
How do you say a plan in Chinese?
一项计划，一项计划，一项计划，
How do you say a bowl of dumplings in Chinese?
一碗饺子，一碗饺子，一碗饺子，
How do you say a Peking opera in Chinese?
一场京剧，一场京剧，一场京剧，
How do you say an experience in Chinese?
一次经历，一次经历，一次经历，
How do you say a policeman in Chinese?
一个警察，一个警察，一个警察，
How do you say a living room in Chinese?
一间客厅，一间客厅，一间客厅，
How do you say a bottle of mineral water in Chinese?
一瓶矿泉水，一瓶矿泉水，一瓶矿泉水，
How do you say a tiger in Chinese?
一只老虎，一只老虎，一只老虎，
How do you say a trip in Chinese?
一趟旅行，一趟旅行，一趟旅行，
How do you say a towel in Chinese?
一条毛巾，一条毛巾，一条毛巾，
How do you say a bridge in Chinese?
一座桥，一座桥，一座桥，
How do you say a diary in Chinese?
一则日记，一则日记，一则日记，
How do you say a sofa in Chinese?
一张沙发，一张沙发，一张沙发，
How do you say a ladle in Chinese?
一把勺子，一把勺子，一把勺子，
How do you say an income in Chinese?
一笔收入，一笔收入，一笔收入，
How do you say a cube of sugar in Chinese?
一块糖，一块糖，一块糖，
How do you say a pair of socks in Chinese?
一双袜子，一双袜子，一双袜子，
How do you say a misunderstanding in Chinese?
一个误会，一个误会，一个误会，
How do you say a novel in Chinese?
一本小说，一本小说，一本小说，
How do you say a tube of toothpaste in Chinese?
一管牙膏，一管牙膏，一管牙膏，
How do you say An actor, in Chinese.
一名演员，一名演员，一名演员，
How do you say? A key, in Chinese.
一把钥匙，一把钥匙，一把钥匙，
How do you say? A leaf, in Chinese.
一片叶子，一片叶子，一片叶子，
How do you say? A little opinion, in Chinese.
一点意见，一点意见，一点意见，
How do you say? A kind of art, in Chinese.
一种艺术，一种艺术，一种艺术，
How do you say? A post office, in Chinese.
一家邮局，一家邮局，一家邮局，
How do you say? A language, in Chinese.
一种语言，一种语言，一种语言，
How do you say? A reason, in Chinese.
一个原因，一个原因，一个原因，
How do you say? A cloud, in Chinese.
一朵云，一朵云，一朵云，
How do you say? A magazine, in Chinese.
一本杂志，一本杂志，一本杂志，
How do you say? A seat, in Chinese.
一个座位，一个座位，一个座位，
How do you say? A plant, in Chinese.
一种植物，一种植物，一种植物，
How do you say? A knowledge, in Chinese.
一门知识，一门知识，一门知识，
How do you say? A writer, in Chinese.
一位作家，一位作家，一位作家，